Yesterday, December 2nd, 2025, Tesla dropped a video that nobody saw coming. Optimus is running, not walking, not shuffling, running, jogging smoothly across Tesla's lab with a natural gait that looks almost human. The caption? Just set a new PR in the lab. This is the first time Optimus has ever run. Previous versions could walk slowly, perform basic tasks, maybe sort objects. But running requires dynamic balance, real-time adjustments, and an entirely different level of AI coordination. And in the background of the video, a wall of Optimus robots standing in formation, charging themselves autonomously. That's right, these robots can detect when their battery is low, navigate to the nearest charging station, and plug themselves in using only their rear-facing cameras. No human required. Tesla also showcased Optimus V2.5 at the NeurIPS 2025 conference yesterday. Attendees got to see the robot's hands up close. 22 degrees of freedom. The fingers flex, wave, and move with uncanny realism. One researcher said people were doing double takes because it looks so human. But V2.5 won't be the final version. Elon Musk already announced that Optimus V3 is coming in early 2026. His exact words, so real that you'll need to poke it to believe it's an actual robot. Here's where it gets crazy. Pilot production has already started at Tesla's Fremont factory. The target? 1 million robots per year by late 2026. Then, a massive new manufacturing facility at Giga Texas will ramp up to 10 million units per year. But Musk didn't stop there. He posted on X that Optimus will be a von Neumann probe. That's a self-replicating machine. Robots building robots. Building more robots. Eventually, he claims, they'll produce 100 million units per year on Mars. The price? $20,000 to $30,000 per robot once production hits scale. That's cheaper than most cars. And Musk believes Optimus could make up 80% of Tesla's future value. His boldest claim? Optimus will actually eliminate poverty and make work optional within 10 to 20 years. Tesla just hired a robotics researcher away from Apple who said he was blown away by the scale and sophistication of the Optimus lab. From walking to running in 1 year, from prototype to mass production in 2. For the latest robot breakthroughs, visit myrobot.shop.